Good morning. Welcome to, what am I welcoming you to? Welcome to a day in my life in college at NYU. I'm gonna be doing this vlog style. I'm actually not sure which channel I'm putting this on, but you guys are just gonna follow me along. Follow me. It's gonna be a jam-packed freaking day. Oh, let me introduce myself. I'm Jennifer. I go to NYU. I'm a sophomore. I wanted to show you guys what my life is like. I just woke up and got dressed, and I'm gonna go brush my teeth right now. If you guys want to come with me, I mean, sure, if you want to. Hi. Ooh, I look gross today. But like, when do I not? So yeah, not a good look. Let's get started on this tragedy. I just brushed my teeth and washed my face. Now I'm gonna curl my hair. Here's my gloves so I don't friggin' burn myself, because I have done that before and it's not an enjoyable experience. I'm gonna curl my hair, put on some friggin' bops so I get excited, because I did not start off on the best foot today. I'm feeling a little bit I don't know, just not great. Not my top of the morning self. Actually, I'm not even a morning person. Oh, by the way, did I mention it's Monday? Yeah. Not my favorite day of the week. All right, let's do this. But when we go tired, you're gonna wake up and see that after all, I wanna rewrite the stars. Alright, so I finished curling my hair. Now I'm just gonna flip it over and do some. Ooh, let's see what we have going on here. Ooh, that's really big. Alright, it's fine. During the day, my hair usually goes down a lot, so we're good. We are Gucci. Alright guys, now I'm gonna put on my makeup because I look disgusting right now. Let's do that. I'm gonna put on moisturizer. I do this every day because my skin is super dry and it's winter right now, so I don't want my skin to get crusty and dry. All right, now that that's on, I usually don't put on foundation, but today, because I'm going to an event later, I'm gonna try to look a little bit better. Okay, so maybe I should explain what I'm doing. So today I have freaking 3 classes, which is a lot, and then in between my second and third class, I'm going to an event with Biore, and it's with Madeline Petch from Riverdale, who plays Cheryl, my queen. I think that it'll be really fun. The thing is, like, halfway through the event my class starts, so I'm gonna have to leave. I'll stay for a bit probably, and then I'll leave to go to class because I'm a hashtag good student. So yeah, that's why I have to look kind of nice, or else I would just go to school looking dead, which yeah, I usually do. All right, Gucci gang. I'm gonna put on concealer now. This is the am I doing a makeup tutorial right now? Coachella, here I come. Oh, I put on way too much. Oh, I look white. Oh, I should have primed my eyelids. Well, too late. Do I want to do eyeliner today? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna do it. That was actually a friggin' giant wing, guys. You know what? We're just gonna have to go with it. I am ready now. This is what I look like. I'm gonna catch the bus to go to class, and let's do it. Getting a burrito. Hi guys, so I just found a little corner on campus to vlog a little bit before class. I have 5 minutes before class starts, but my building's like right there. So I just got my burrito, finished my first class, which is my DNA class. It was actually pretty interesting. So that's over. I have a 15-minute break. I currently have 5 minutes left. I usually get my burrito before my first class, but the bus was running late, so I couldn't do that. And my second class is kind of in a weird arrangement right now because my professor's not here. She's like in Australia, so we have a virtual class. So I'm gonna go to that. Oh my god, bro. Whatever. Anyway, I'm gonna go to class. It's a privacy and media class. All right, let's go. Hi. We're in a building. Okay, basically, I hate vlogging in public. I'm just gonna hi. So I finished my second class and I'm here with my friend Natalie. and we're gonna be going to the Biore event later. Sorry, I'm vlogging from a double chin angle. My class was interesting. To be honest, I don't think I learned very much. I'm just here chilling for the next like hour. I think I'm gonna like edit a video. Yep. All right. It's been a while later, like half an hour later. I have a quiz tomorrow on herbs and spices, so studying for that currently. I feel so judged right now. Okay, so the plan for today is go to the event. The event is it's from 4 to 6, but then my class starts at 4:55. So I'm gonna leave early, and my class is my like food science class. It's actually pretty fun. So the lecture section is like talking about food and food sciences. I don't know if you guys can actually hear me right now. I hope you can hear me. The lab is like we just basically cook, and it feels like MasterChef because she's like 15 minutes left. Plate your dishes. It's a pretty fun time, and then we like get to eat, so it feels so awkward. Hi. Oh no, there's people on this street. There's people on every street. Okay, that's very true. You know what, I'm just gonna... Okay, so we're walking to the place right now. It's like super close to campus, so we're just gonna walk. This is the place where I met the Bachelor. I'll save that story time for another day because it's a very interesting story. What's up, guys? It's so cute in here. Look it. It's so cute. So we're actually the first ones here because we were super early. Cute. Super cute. Very Instagram worthy, but it doesn't fit my theme, so I'm like really sad. The nicest bathroom in the world, guys. Holy, and there's a chair. I know, this chair is, it's so cute in here. I want to live here. Oh, amazing. This is like not real. Okay, bye. Hi guys, I'm here with Madeline. I'm obsessed with Riverdale, so my Riverdale heart is like screaming right now. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, I just got back from class and that was definitely the longest day that I've had so far. I'm so tired. So in the last clip, actually what was the last clip you saw? The last few clips that you saw, I was at the Biore event and I freaking met Madeline Petch. She is such a queen. She is literally perfect. Yeah, I have nothing else to say. She's just perfect. Such a bean. I only met her for like 2 minutes or something because I had to go to class like 5 minutes later. As you could see in the clip, I like could not speak because I was like shook. I actually have a really hard time like meeting new people and like socializing and that kind of stuff. I'm very introverted and I'm like pretty shy. That type of stuff is actually really hard for me. It's weird because like I'm really shy with new people, but with my friends I'm like crazy. And I went to class. Class was okay. I couldn't even pay attention because I was like, I met my freaking Riverdale queen. So I'm officially done with class for the day. Oh, also, this is my first official day with my new phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. I officially switched my SIM card over from my iPhone to my Samsung because I was like, you know what, this is like way too tiny. I can't deal with this anymore. So I switched. I think I'm gonna do a video later on like comparing these two, or like my experience switching from one to the other, so that's cool. I'm gonna make dinner in a bit because I actually have to practice like cooking for my cooking exam tomorrow. First of all, I got a package from Pure Lease. I'm gonna open it up. I'm very happy to be getting to do... Can I speak? Oh, cute! We love some good packaging. Woo! Hi Jennifer, we hope you enjoy these products. XOXO, Team Pure Lease. Oh, so cute! Thank you so much, Pure Lease. Wait, I'm a little bit confused because I just received the same exact package like a week ago. Coconut and rice nourishing sheet mask. I really want to try these out, but here's why I'm confused. Okay, they're actually not exactly the same, but I have 2 of these now. I have 2 of these now. So okay, I got a couple of new products, but yeah, I definitely have duplicates. I feel like I should do a giveaway soon. Stay tuned. I'm so freaking tired, but I need to eat. I'm gonna cook. Should I do a grocery haul too? We love a healthy queen. Here are my potatoes. Here are my oranges. Yeah, that's all I got. Oh, exciting stuff. Today, 2 of my favorite shows are gonna be on. Actually, one of my favorite shows is gonna be on, and then the other one is just for laughs and giggles. So, The Bachelor and okay, obviously my brain is fried from this whole day. The Good Doctor and The Bachelor. Oh man. Okay, wait, I'm gonna change into sweatpants and then I'm gonna go cook. The Bachelor stopped playing for some reason, but girl, I gotta put that back on. Okay, we're back. We're back in session. I'm currently dicing a tomato. Am I blind? I'm vlogging. This is Sarah.
I'm eating chicken out of a Tupperware.
And this is Penny. Oh, okay, maybe I'll like, for the hashtag vegans, I won't show it. I just chopped up some potatoes. They all are different sizes and shapes because I was just practicing for my exam tomorrow. I'm sure they'll taste fine because like potatoes, I mean, you can't really go wrong. I'm just gonna bake them and see what happens. Yeah, let's do this. You know what? It like, Hi guys, so I just finished making my food. We're gonna see if it tastes good. Let's eat. All right, let's try this. I'm gonna try the bell peppers first. Oh, it's actually pretty good. I put some garlic in there, so that tastes good. It's really sweet. Good job, Jennifer. All right, potato time. I mean, you can't really mess up potatoes, so that's good. I'm basically a master chef. What's up, guys? It is now 11:11, Make-A-Wish. I am now gonna take off my makeup because I'm feeling gross. It's been a long day with cake on my face. And I'm watching the final episode of The Vampire Diaries. I'm feeling all types of ways. It's such a good show and I don't want it to end. I don't want to cry, but I know I'm gonna cry. I have one assignment that's due tonight, which I'm gonna have to do now. Yikes. Maybe I should do that first. But I'm gonna take off my makeup and then I'm gonna do my assignment and then I'm gonna study more for my exam quiz tomorrow and then I think I'll be done. So I have a couple more things to do, but it's doable. Alright, makeup is off, but tears are streaming. What's up, guys? I am actually out in the hallway because everyone in my dorm is fast asleep. Oh, someone's coming out. Nope, we're good. I'm pretty much done with my homework. I turned in my assignment, but right now I'm just going to, my brain is dead. I'm just going to wash the dishes and then I'm just going to get ready for bed. So yeah, that is it for my day in the life of a college student at NYU. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. If you guys want to see more day in the life or like week in the lives, let me know because I will definitely do them. I love vlogging even though I'm super awkward at vlogging in public, but it was a fun day, so excuse me. That is pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to like it, not just emotionally, and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. All right, bye.